I am Jade Byrne, otherwise known as Pricks Official on social media. I'm an advocate for type 1 diabetes, and it is November, which means it is Diabetes Awareness Month. So I started my kind of role as an advocate with my play Pricks. So I wrote a show called Pricks. It's a one-woman show that I'm in because it's all about my life with type 1 diabetes, but it's about family and relationships. That show went crazy. Everyone loved it, and it's still getting booked today, even though we're in coronavirus times. So Pricks is where it started. Then I wrote the children's book Daisy Donald, which is for younger people with type 1 diabetes. It's kind of an emotional support for them. And I also have a shop called Pricks Products where I sell funny diabetes-related merchandise, and that's on Etsy. So here's a little snippet of all the things I do, and the reason I do it is because if we don't do it, who's going to do it for us? Welcome to Pricks.
Fast asleep, resting your head. Across the landing there's a demon in bed. You awake to that noise that only you know. It's your little girl. She's having a hypo.
And then it's supposed to bleed. It's not. Sometimes it just takes a few. Oh, now it's bleeding twice. There you go. I'm going to start crawling everywhere like this. Because then I'll be dead low, and then I can have chocolate. I'm type 1 diabetic, not type 2. And I can eat cake. A whole bloody cake if I want to.
It's not easy. It never is. A constant worry. Get myself in a tiz. What will happen when I'm not there? Who will look after her? Who will care? The worry is constant, it never ever stops, like a song on repeat off top of the pops. You can't pause or stop it, rewind or delete. It's always there playing, it repeats and repeats. You imagine the worst, the most horrendously horrific. The what-ifs and maybes, blocking out the specifics. Will she be able to cope? By herself at home? Can she even have kids? A family of her own? Can she go off and study, have her own career? Have the same opportunities as her friends and peers? Can she mentally cope with all of the strains? Will she deal with it all without going insane? If that's all okay and she does settle down, where will that be? In my hometown? Who will be with her when I'm retired? Who will love her like me when I'm no longer required?